College Depot was such an amazing experience. They want everyone to succeed, and whatever they can do to provide that success, they will do it.
I highly recommend it. It's a great thing to do, and they help you one-on-one.
I attended their workshop and they were amazing.
College Depot was amazing, and don't miss out on great opportunities.
I told all my friends about it, and they've all had great outcomes with the staff there because they're super friendly and super helpful.
College Depot is extremely amazing.
College Depot has helped me find the best scholarships fit for me.
College Depot has a variety of scholarships for everyone.
They're really amazing and extremely helpful.
College Depot helped me out through the process of signing up for college.